Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi my dear viewers, I welcome you wholeheartedly at my channel Khuram Janjua official, and today I'm going to discuss the 5 alternative, the last part, and that is the part 5. And as I have shared the part 4 already, in which I have shared the 5 words and their 5 alternative words, and today the first word is nearly, and we can use the 5 alternative for the nearlys are almost. I've been working here for almost 6 years. Second one, just short of. My grandma's amazing. She is just short of her 70th birthday and she still rides a bicycle. Third one, a little under. I'm happy. I was promised a 500 pounds pay rise, but I only got a little under 300 pounds. The fourth one is approaching. I'm getting worried about my son. It's approaching. Midnight and he is not home. Nigh on, it's hot. I think it's nigh on 35 degree. Go for the next one, and the next word is happy. The first word of the alternative of the happy is delighted. We are delighted to tell you that your application has been successful. Over the moon. I was over the moon when I finally passed my driving test. Number 3, aesthetic. We never thought we'd actually win this award. We are ecstatic. The fourth one is stalked. You have got tickets to see Rihanna and you want me to be your +1. I'm stalked. Fifth one is thrilled. You are engaged. I'm thrilled. Go. The next one is because, as. The first word is as. I can't work this weekend as I have to look after the children due to the fact that this is now play area and you may no longer park here. The third one is since. Since you asked nicely, I'll let you use my phone. And the fourth one is owing to. Owing to bad weather, the match is off. And the fifth one is now that I can date anyone I want now that I'm single. Go with the next word is so. The 5 alternative to the so's are and therefore the bill remains unpaid and therefore we are commencing legal action. Then you won't lend me any money, I can't go out then. And third one is as a consequence, I didn't give the plants enough water. As a consequence, they all died. Thus, they decided to close 7 shops, thus raising capital and reducing cost. Fifth one is hence. It rained constantly, hence the flooding. And the last word is but. However, Mario loves dogs, however, he hates cat. The second one is although Mina adores cat and she can't have one because she allergic to them. Third one is and yet a Kiko's got 11 cats, 4 dogs and a rabbit, and yet she wants more pets. Fourth one is nevertheless. Keeping horses can be very expensive. Nevertheless, I have got 3 of them. Fifth, even so. My dog's old Smeely and he pees in the house. Even so, I love him to bits. Hopefully you have got the idea of the alternative words, my dear viewers, and you now going to utilize these words in your writing and speaking. This is my message, that improve your vocabulary day by day, and whatever the word you learn, write and speak. The more you will write and speak, the more you will learn. Take a great care of yourself. All the best.